All right, everybody. Totally buenos dias. Welcome to another traveling Costa Rica vlog here on YouTube. Today we're down at Playa Matapalo at the RIU Resorts. The beach is right here, and I came down here just actually to go for a swim, but it was so cool with all these little monkeys around. I thought I'd make a quick video showing you guys the monkeys, showing you guys the beach. But before we begin, be sure to hit like, hit subscribe right here on YouTube if you want to see more travel vlog here in Costa Rica at places like this, the Playa Matapalo in Guanacaste province. Before we begin walking, let's talk about how to get here from the Liberia International Airport. So we will start off in Costa Rica, zooming in on the northwest part of the country in Guanacaste province. Right there is the Liberia International Airport, where you'll get your rental car or airport transfer and head towards Playa Matapalo. It takes about an hour with no traffic. Then we'll zoom in on Playa Matapalo itself. There you can see the RIU Guanacaste and the RIU Palace, all-inclusive resorts. This area is surrounded by mountains, so you see a lot of wildlife. The place where this video starts is just to the right of the RIU Palace. All right, and that will bring you right to this road right here. So this road is just a little bit outside of the main entrance of the RIU. So there's a bunch of monkeys down there that are really hustling. They're really busking. They want their bananas or whatever. But there's a couple stragglers over here we'll take a look at. Oh, look at this guy. He's eating a banana. It's wild. Let's zoom in on him there. Cool. He's just mounging. Where's some other monkeys? There's a cat right there. There's a cat. So guys, over here, there's like a lot of vendors. So we've done videos down before in front of Playa Matapalo. There's a lot of vendors down there. But actually over here as well, there's some vendors. And it's early right now. It's early in the morning, so I'll just show you guys quick. It doesn't look like they're all filled up, all the little stalls here. But I think there's some souvenir shops down here. You can get a massage down here as well. That's nice. I mean, who doesn't like a massage? So here's the road. They've done a lot of improvements on these roads since I first ever came to Playa Matapalo. Here's the parking area right here that you'll park at. Bro. So I've seen ATV rentals. I've seen all kinds of stuff. There's some couple massage shops. Oh, you can do horse rides right here. Very cool. And what's interesting about Playa Matapalo is you got this like mangrove area. So there's a lot of like animals, you know, given how close you are to the resort. Tons of cool birds. They've got those little blue jays with the little feather on their head. Super smart birds. There's one of those yellow bandit birds that I see everywhere. They're vicious. They're vicious. No, they're all right. Let's go have a peekaboo at the yellow bird. See, there's crows there, and the funny thing is that crows are probably the most impressive bird, given their intelligence. But just because they're not colorful, like who wants to look at them anyway? Oh, there goes the yellow one. Okay, so we got some monkeys. Oh man, that old lady, she's had enough. Senora's had enough. Oh, they're getting. Oh, oh, they're fighting. They're fighting. They're fighting. Yeah.
They want their territory.
Yeah. They want the free. They want the free food. Oh, that guy right there. That guy right there. He's not nice. Look at him. He's sticking his tongue out. Oh, I got one above me. He's a little thief, possibly. This guy right here, he is not happy. Look at that, that's cool. Oh. I don't want them above me though. Look at him, he's pissed. He's pissed that the other one's getting food. Oh, see, he's going after him. He's going after him. Oh. See, so this is the smart monkey right here. He waited until the angry monkey left and chased the other guy.
What's the other ones, though?
Don't want any more sugar?
I think they're stressed out. They're starting to get stressed.
This guy's small, but he looks old.
Wise.
Yeah, he's got the wisdom face on him. That is the smartest monkey, I think.
Yeah.
Well, he waited until the other one that was chasing the other one was getting angry. This guy just waited until he vacated the area. What's he eating? What? Pineapple. Oh yeah, he's liking that, eh? Cool. Very nice. So let's continue walking around here and see what we see. I'm not too inclined to walk through this water. It doesn't look like it's moved in a while. Yeah, so we got to see some monkey dynamics or some monkey social dynamics. I'm a bit of a monkey myself, you know, like I think I understand what's going on. If I spent some more time here, I'm sure I'd have a tribe of monkeys, you know, worshiping me and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, that's not a bad idea. So this is the parking lot. This is the parking area, as it is. I got to walk around here because, yeah, this water, I think there's like a little pathway there, but I don't want like any amoebas on me or something. Anything that would, you know, perhaps bite me. Oh, no, gracias. ¿Cuánto cuesta? Masaje.
Mismo que le cobraste a la chica el otro día, lo mismo.
¿Cuánto cuesta?
Vale 45, pero
45 para cuánto tiempo?
una hora.
¿Una hora? Ok, gracias.
Vamos.
Ah, no, no ahora, no ahora. Haciendo en video. Ok, gracias. So there you go, guys. A massage, 55 bucks for an hour. I mean, that's not bad. That's not bad at all. So here's the beach. Here is the beach that you will enjoy. You will enjoy this beach if you're at Playa Matapalo. This is Playa Matapalo. If you're at the RIU. Let's go, where the heck did I go? Let's go down here. Oh, look, okay, so we got a little thing. So there is a rip current warning here. I don't know about walking down there. I'll just go down over here. So we got an ATV tour. So once again, guys, as you walk further down here, there's a lot of vendors, a lot of souvenir shops, stuff like that. And the RIU, I mean, if you've stayed at the RIU, let me know how it is. Apparently, it was recently renovated. Recently renovated, the RIU. Oh, look, this is perfect. Oh my God, there's stairs. There are stairs there. Oh, fantastical. Now, yeah, a lot more people swimming down here. But if you walk further down the beach, there's like less people for sure. For certain less people, they've actually got these buoys out here. Buoys. They got the buoys out. Kind of marking the safe swimming area, I guess. I presume the RIU did that. So now off in the distance there, we're looking out towards the Papagayo Peninsula. Really nice beaches out there. I did a catamaran tour out that way one time. A couple actually, during my travels. Very nice. I've been to that beach over there. That beach over there, you actually have to drive around and like, there's some strange parking situation on the side of the road and there's a hole in a fence you got to walk through. Alternatively, you could just walk across there. Look at the amount of people out here swimming. That's incredible. Very cool, very cool. And of course, we'll do the live water test. Very, very refreshing on a hot day here in Costa Rica, Guanacaste. And yeah, oh yeah, that's nice and cool. And I can see just past the break here, it's very clear, looking very clear. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that walkie-talkie tour here at Playa Matapalo, just out in front of the RIU Resorts in Costa Rica. If you did, be sure to hit subscribe right here on YouTube so you see more of the travel vlog as I travel around and visit different places in incredible Costa Rica. Thanks again for watching. Bye now.